Breakdown and emergency assistance. Breakdown assistance. Jump starting. Jump start can be performed when the battery charge is low, which can be confirmed by performing the following operation. Turn headlamp on and check whether lights are dim. Try to start the vehicle and check whether the engine cranks slowly or doesn't crank at all. Jump starting procedure. Open the bonnet and locate the battery. Warning. The positive terminal will be marked with a plus sign. The negative terminal will be marked with a minus sign. A standalone booster battery can be used to start the engine when the vehicle battery is low. Take jumper cable and unwind the red and black cables. Wear safety gear. Connect one end of red clamp of the jumper cable to the positive terminal of the discharged battery and other end to the positive terminal of the booster battery. Similarly, connect one end of black clamp of the jumper cable to the negative terminal of the booster battery and other end to the negative terminal of the discharged battery. Once the jump starting assembly is complete, crank the engine to start. Once the vehicle gets started, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order. Disconnect the black clamp of the jumper cable from the negative terminal of the discharged battery and other end of the black clamp from the negative terminal of the booster battery. Similarly, disconnect the red clamp of the jumper cable from the positive terminal of the booster battery and other end of the red clamp from the positive terminal of the discharged battery. Close the bonnet. Keep the vehicle's engine running for about 30 to 40 minutes. Notice. Changing flat tire. In the event of a flat tire, park the vehicle on firm ground. Turn off the engine, apply parking brake, and turn on the hazard warning flashes. Warning. Warning triangle, jack and toolkit are available under the third row seat. Place the warning triangle behind the vehicle to warn other vehicles. The spare wheel is mounted on the back door at the rear end of the vehicle. Remove the Bolero badge by pulling away from spare wheel cover. Loosen and remove the securing nut and remove the spare wheel cover using wheel spanner. Unfasten the rest of the wheel nuts and slowly lower down the spare wheel. Caution. Loosen the wheel bolts in sequence with wrench from toolkit. Position the jack beneath the vehicle jack point. Raise the jack using spanner for ease of flat tire removal. Warning. Caution. Caution. Unfasten the wheel bolts and remove the flat tire. Install the spare wheel and tighten the bolts in sequence. Caution. Warning. Warning. Lower the vehicle completely and tighten the wheel bolts using the wheel spanner. Assemble the flat tire in spare wheel location. Restore the toolkit and warning triangle securely in respective areas. Turn off the hazard warning flashes. Towing. The tow eye is located inside tow hook cover on front and rear side of the vehicle. The tow hook is available in the toolkit, located under the third row seat. Remove the tow hook cover in the front or rear bumper and screw in the tow eye in clockwise direction. Fasten a cable or chain specifically intended for towing vehicle to the towing hook. Flatbed towing is the safest and recommended way of towing. Notice: